warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. আমরা আপনাদের সন্তান। আমরা এখন আপনাদের সম্মুখে দুই বন্ধু ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবো। আপনারা শুনুন। ধন্যবাদ, ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ। My friend to my friend too. Come with me. Thank you. Thank you to thank you. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Asman Chaudhary. What is your name? My name is Miriam Rahman Talukdar. What is your father name? My father name is Rahman Chaudhary. What is your father name? My father name is Almudai Talukdar. What is your mother name? My mother name is Maqsood Talukdar. What is your mother name? My mother name is Chapter. How many years old? My years old 7. How many years old? My years old 8. What class do you read? I am in class 1. What class do you read? I am in class 2. What is 12 months name? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let me go. Let me share. Everybody listen to me, please. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Are you a boy? Yes, I am a boy. Do you always speak the truth? Yes, always speak the truth. Never tell a lie. I am living Palgao. I live in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our homeland. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Where do you live? This must be correct answer. I am reading. I cannot read. I read. I don't read. Do I read? Don't I read? Why do I read? Why don't I read? What do you? Why do you read? I cannot write. I write. I do not write. Do I write? Don't I write? What do I write? What don't I write? It is written now. There is a madrasa in Norway. I need a pen. Maybe my address. You shall go home. You can come try to understand. Don't mind. Say Alhamdulillah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.